Stop posting shorts. Here's my reason. Now I have a very good reason why I'm saying that. But before that, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. Subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about shorts. I'm going to be telling you guys the advantages, the disadvantages, what I wish I knew before, diving into posting shorts, posting. I'm going to tell you guys in this video. Now let's get our intro in and get started. Now guys, the first thing you need to do is know the threshold for monetization when it comes to YouTube, basically. So for YouTube, you need to have 4,000 watch hours, public watch hours, and 1,000 subscribers in 365 days if you are using your long form videos to get monetized. Then if you are using shorts, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days. So guys, if you're not monetized, you need to prioritize your long form if that is where your focus is going to be at. So your short form watch hours, they don't add to the long watch hours. So if you're checking your analytics, don't check your watch hours from the analytics. Always check from the Earn tab on the studio website, and that's where you're going to see your real watch hours. So shorts can be really deceptive because you would post your shorts. Yes, you're going to have many subscribers coming in from the shorts. You're going to have a lot of views. You can even get, sometimes you would see, probably as a beginner, you can see 10,000 views, 20,000 views, and you're like, wow, I'm really big on shorts, not knowing that it might be affecting your long form. Use that zeal to put it in your long form videos. Now for your long form, you might not be getting as many views as, the 10,000 and stuff like that. But the little you're getting, you are being consistent with it and people are actually watching your videos. Imagine posting a 10 minutes video. That's like how many watch hours already? And imagine if 100 people now watch that video. So in that particular video, you already have this accumulated amount of watch hours that are basically adding to your threshold. So don't focus yourself on shorts. Be consistent on your long form. If you know you want to be posting vlogs, tutorials and stuff like that, focus on your long form videos. Don't post shorts every day. Another damaging thing shorts does is that your audience from shorts are not your audience from your long form. Now, your audience from your shorts are mostly uninterested with your long form content. Trust me. When you post a shorts, they are always most likely subscribing to your channel because of that shorts. So imagine you post a dancing video and your channel is about cooking. So that one video that you posted yourself dancing, you now have 50k views on it as a shorts video. People now start subscribing. You see subscribers. You get probably, let's say, an average of 200 subscribers from that particular video. Those subscribers are actually waiting for you to dance again for them. Do you get? They're waiting for you to dance again from them. And when they see that you're not giving them the content that they want, they can start unsubscribing. So you just see that your subscribers are reducing, and you be like, what's going on? Why are my subscribers reducing? Meanwhile, it's because those people are actually interested in your dance videos, not your cooking videos. So if you want to post on shorts, make sure it ties to your long form. You can use remixes. There's a remix button that you can use to pick a part from your long form videos and post it as a shorts video. You can also post it as a normal shorts, like from your gallery, post your video as a shorts and, get people to actually want to see more. So you can say, see more on your channel, basically, watch the full video on so, and they can easily go there and watch your videos from there. Another thing about shorts is that the revenue from shorts is actually really small. So guys, please post consistently on your long form as well. And then, the people that need to watch your videos will come to your channel. They will surely come to your channel. Trust me, they would always come, they will show up. And then you'll be able to get monetized quickly, faster, and get revenue, a tangible amount of revenue, basically. So if you know you want to focus on shorts, focus on it. Or create a new channel for shorts specifically and be posting shorts on it. consistently. Once you get monetized, you keep posting and posting and let your audience like know you for the shorts. But if you're not interested in shorts content, you can now focus on your long form content, and you know, the sky is basically your limit from there. So once you finally know what you want to do, you need to now research, re-strategize, and you know, repurpose your content basically for your audience. And guys, that's all I have for this particular video. I hope you guys learned something from it. If you have any questions, comment in the comment section. I would love to like give you, you know, feedback, answers to whatever questions you have. Subscribe to Lara Savage Creations if you're interested in DIY stuff, crafts, and stuff like that. I have other videos on how to grow on YouTube, tips you need to know, things I wish I knew before I started, things like that. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can go check it out as well. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video within and outside your circle, comment in the comment section, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.